Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to St Peter's Road, here close to Reading University. We've got this beautiful and extended bay-fronted detached property. We're ideally located here, giving great access to Reading University, as I just said. We are close to the M4 motorway, and we've also got regular bus services into Reading Town Centre and Reading Station on the 17 bus route, which is very close by to here. Just going to give you a view of St Peter's Road for those of you who don't know St Peter's Road. So this is looking towards Reading. So we've got mainly older properties here on St Peter's Road. There's a few slightly more modern properties, but it's mainly older houses. And then if I just turn round, we're looking then up to Church Road and eastwards towards sort of London way, if you went all the way that way. So that's St Peter's Road. So this is the property that we're selling. It's a 4-bed detached, and this is a lovely opportunity, very much a family home. And a little bit about our app. So for anybody here that's watching that hasn't used our app, Gavel, you'll see that you can ask me some questions. Just type them in and I will be more than happy to try and answer them on the tour. Hopefully I'll cover most bits for you. And also you'll see an icon on your screen where you can request a private inspection. If you hit that, it will come up on my screen and I'll be able to arrange you a priority viewing for this property. So if you request a viewing during this tour, you will get a priority viewing for this house. Without further ado, let's have a look around the house. So firstly, as you can see, we've got a lot of frontage and ample off-road parking. We've got a gate there to the right, which takes you through to a garage at the back, which I'll show you in a second. And let's go and have a look inside the property. So the owners have been here 4 or 5 years. We're going to be selling potentially with no onward chain complications as well. There's the front of the house. Nice outlook across the road. So, into the hallway. So we've got stairs going up to the first floor. Nice hallway. And the first room we get to on the left is the lounge. Nice and square. Got some picture rails there as well, so some nice features to the property. There's your view looking out to the front. And if I just slowly pan round, that is your lounge. Moving further through, we've got, I guess we call a family room here, which goes back onto the conservatory. So this could be used as a children's room, TV room, study. There's a sofa in here as well. And that takes us through here to this really nice conservatory where you can sit down and relax. Just look, we've got power out here as well, and heating. You can see that radiator tucked in down there, so nice and warm if it's cold in the winter. And I'll just step into the conservatory and just give you another room behind, another view behind me of this family room. Okay, just a couple of bits about the property. So the electrical consumer unit was changed in 2021. The boiler was last serviced in 2021 and is about 5 years old. This is a little lobby area that goes through to a utility room stroke study. And we've got this light here that makes sure that it's not too dark. So here we are. So now I've got plumbing for washing machine here. Rear aspect window. And we've got a side aspect door as well. Let me stand near that door and just give you a better idea of this room here. And then moving back through the property. Back here now to the hallway. And we go through to this lovely bay-fronted dining room. Lovely room, this one. You could use this alternative as a lounge if you wanted to. It's currently being used as a dining room simply because it's closer to the kitchen. And then there's your view looking out to the front. It's a bit gloomy today, a bit foggy. There we go. Nice size room. So, kitchen breakfast room. They've got a breakfast table in here as well. Got wine fridge there. We've got a built-in induction hob. Extractor hood above. Just there. There's your oven. Plenty of units here for storage. Dishwasher, sink, and then we've got rear aspect window looking into the garden, and there's your garage. So we'll go and have a look at that at the end. I'm just going to go upstairs first. So let's make our way back upstairs. And let's have a look at the bedrooms and a really lovely bathroom here as well. So let's go in here first. So we've got front aspect, bay fronted bedroom. Got plenty of storage wardrobes here. These are all built in. They've got larger than double bed. That looks like a king size to me. So loads of built-in wardrobes. And here we are looking outside of the bay window. There we go. Here's the bathroom. One of my favourite rooms in the house this is. Look at that lovely, huge bathroom. So we've got a freestanding bath. We've got a large shower cubicle. Sink. Toilet. And really nicely refitted. 2 side aspect windows. Heated towel rail as well. Back onto the landing. This hot water tank was fitted 5 years ago when the boiler was changed as well. This is one of the smaller bedrooms. Still comfortably get a double bed in here. So more built-in wardrobes and side aspect window. And that's onto that extension there. That's where the washing machine and office is under there. Nice landing as well. You can see that we've got a nice light landing. We've got a side aspect window there. That brings in an awful lot of light. Let's go over to this bedroom, another double. More built-in wardrobes. Dual aspect, this bedroom. So there's a nice view. There's your first view towards the garden. And again, taking you back to the front of the house with that nice outlook overlooking St Peter's Road. Next up, we've got the smallest bedroom. We've got front aspect circular window. And this is probably best used as a baby's bedroom, study, child's bedroom. And that's bedroom number 4. The loft space in the property is boarded and has a ladder. There's your access there. Now, I'm going to take you into the garden. Just bear with me a second whilst my gimbal device decides to point the wrong way. There we go. So, let's go and have a look in the garden. So this is the gates that you saw from the front. And you've got access all the way through. Let me just walk this way. You've got access all the way through there to your garage. There we go. So there's the garage. The owner's stored some junk in here at the moment, but I'm sure that you can get the idea. So you've got space further back. So it's almost like an L-shaped garage. And also you've got this room here where we've got power. You can use a potting shed. You know, if you work from home or you're a tradesperson, you could use it for that. All sorts of things. Got electricity out here as well. And then going to the main body of the garden. So we've got this lawned area all the way to the back. Veggie patch. Greenhouse. I'm just going to turn around here and give you a rear view of the property. I just go a bit further across the lawn. It's a nice little feature at the back here as well. There we go. So this is the property we have in St Peter's Road. Please do come and have a look. It's a lovely family home. It's a great location for many good things. Got great access to so many things that Reading has to offer. University, hospital, M4, Thames Valley Business Park. We are within the Maiden Early School catchment here as well. That's a very favourable catchment. And Alfred Sutton is the primary school catchment. I'm just going to finish off the tour now. Any last questions, please do ask me. Any last viewing requests, please ask as well. And I'm just going to finish up at the front door. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. And I look forward to seeing you at the property for a viewing.